Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to use single name on Facebook. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, let me show you my profile, and you can see from my profile that I am using a single name on my Facebook profile over here. So once I click on my Facebook profile over here, you can see I am using a single name on my profile. So as you can see over here, so let me show you how you can also use a single name on your Facebook profile. Now, first of all, open your Play Store and then search for your Facebook. So first of all, update your Facebook to the latest version over here. So if your Facebook is not updated, click on update and update your Facebook over here. Now, once you have updated your Facebook, look for this application. VPN LAT over here. So you can see this application over here, VPN LAT. Go ahead and download or update this particular application. Now, once you are done, open your VPN LAT. So once you open your VPN LAT, wait as it is loading over here. Now you can see the servers over here. So scroll to where you can see Indonesia. So you can see Indonesia over here, and once you click on Indonesia, you can see Jakarta. So click on the second one. And once you click on the second one, you can see start over here. Just click on start. And you can see processing. So just wait as it is connecting, and you can see connected. Now, once you are connected to this VPN, you can disconnect it when you are done. So just go ahead and open your Facebook once you are connected to this VPN. So open your Facebook and click on your profile at the top right corner. So once you click on that, click on settings and privacy. Click on settings at the top here. Once you click on settings, you can see settings and privacy. Click on see more in account center. Now, once you click on see more in account center, you can see your profile over here. Click on your profile. So just click on the account you want to use a single name on. And you can see name over here. Click on name. Once you click on name, you can see over here first name and the last name. So the first name, enter the single name you want to use. So once you enter the single name you want to use at the first name, then the last name, you just enter a space bar. And that's it. So once you enter the space bar, you can see review change is now activated over here. So just click on review change and save this new settings. Save the new name over here, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.